Yes people, and welcome back to AJ Cars and welcome back to another video not on the Beamer. Today we are on the Mark 4 Golf GTI. Some of you new viewers might not know it. I do have a bagged show car Mark 4. If you look through the old videos you will see it. Haven't done a video on it in a while because I'm near enough done with the car, but today Meguiar's have kindly invited us to come down and give the car a full detail, which is great for me because I'm really lazy and Meguiar's are very kind for doing that. So they're going to be doing some polishing, going to clay bar it, wax, ceramic coat, the lot. It's going to have the works. It's going to look incredible afterwards. So big shout out to Meguiar's for letting us come down and partake in this activity. So less talking, let's just get straight into the video. We're going to do some b-roll of some polishing, all the stuff we're going to be doing. So let's get straight into it. So people, there you have it. The car is finished. It looks absolutely incredible. I can't thank Dale and Grant enough from Meguiar's, and also Meguiar's themselves, for letting me come down and get the car done. It's now ready for shows. Make sure to check out Meguiar's YouTube channel as well. I'll leave a link in the description. Show them some love for helping me get this car looking so good. But that is going to be it for today. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.